Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be tidying up the living room. I just got a new vacuum. It is the Dyson V8 Animal and I'm absolutely loving it so far. It's amazing how well it is picking everything up, like stuff that I don't even see. So yeah, I'm really loving this vacuum. I moved the couches so I could vacuum behind there, and then as you will see here, I'm putting them back, and I'm struggling with this big one because there's a bed inside of there, so it's extremely heavy.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side, we won't say goodbye, we'll stick together.
Yeah, so here I am putting the cushions backwards, and it takes me a minute to realize what I just did. So here I'm dusting everything down. As you can see, there's like dust all over the floor, and that is because we recently stained a table and we decided to sand all the wood pieces down in the living room while watching TV, and that was a big mistake. So
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool, the kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
Last, I'm just gonna go outside and wipe down the glass. Sky likes to jump on this window and put her nose on it, so all those marks are from her. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
It's not about you, just me.